I think I can safely say I speak for all present when I say, as long as your main focus is that one problem, we have a working situation, agreement if you will. Nothing else, my brethren. Nothing at the play. Alright, gentlemen?
King, and a problem we are dealing with in our progress.
Alright, right, that's it.
No man.
That is it.
I like it. Gentlemen, I get involved in this to make sure that the peace that the man established is kept under one order, one rule, one destination. But guess what now? I have to follow my rule. I don't want nobody after today. No savage, see savage, have any idea who savage is, where savage there. Me need to deal with the chappings when they are going to chopper. So allow me, let me do my thing.
I'm not telling you this, and every man on the ground know it. So you have to keep that. And aware. Because dogs are out there. I'm not too like to strange face on it. I want to say I fit. Them find out that problem.
Stone, I am the right man for your job. Because you're not dopey for show.
So hold on. Only feel like so nothing now will lead back to you. Remember I'm a police, you know? I like police running. Stone.
Yo, King man, you have to talk to me.
Well, it is a simple match, my generals. There is no time when any criminal element comes up against the police or the security forces that the regular Joe on the block have to look over his shoulder, because it's police matter. So even if Indy coming night, it's still a police matter. So if police are dealing with matters and that clear out criminal element, we celebrate the community safer and your hands cleaner.
All me I tell the man then. It's safer when police take care of Judas. That way none of the hands get dirty. All of the hands remain clean. As long as you don't try to get involved, you will solve the problem just like a dog.
In and out.
That is it.
Right, listen.
King.
Long live the king.
One king.
Any other king?
Good. Now you know me. The brother was a good youth.
All right.
There's a police.
One King man don't say they are everything.
King man have the last
Best player that we can make, because guess what? Police kill bad man out the road. Bad man, another man. Now look over and shoulder, now for worse, nobody ever call me name a station or if anybody see my boy. Okay. Every man freedom clear and the progress to work. and train you to the progress.
That thing.
Very nice one.
You always give the best advice, Godfather. Big up yourself.
Blessings.
Respect your decision, bro. You see a boy for you, boy.
Long live the king.
Long
One
live the king.
Any other king?
You know that, Father.
Right.